Hey, good morning, guys. What's going on? What's going on? Street Trading coming at you with today's trade ideas video. It is Thursday, the 4th of November, 2021. Looking at an hourly chart of SPY. Let's get right into it. We haven't posted the past couple of days. We've been conducting some other business, but we are back, and the market, man, just continues to push, printing all-time highs. Day in, day out. The move yesterday in the ETF, the last couple hours was pretty solid. I mean, there was 5-6 point move within about an hour and a half or so and change. Big move to the upside this morning. Still very early in the pre-market. Got another an hour or so till the boys step in at 8 a.m. ETF is trading up just north of half a point, but very early. We all know everybody looking at the 500. And all sites, right? So, it's the lining of the lineup of that level and the end of the year. We are sure is no coincidence. Who's going to make it first? We shall see, but it will probably be pretty close head to head. So keep that in mind. Obviously, bulls are just owning the market. They haven't stopped owning the market. They took some quick breathers here and there with some corrections along the way from March lows of 2020, but it's as if that pandemic never happened. In fact, it's much better than it was before. So go figure. Anyway, that being said, I think we got like 8 or 9 right now, where we are chopping it down as we speak for today's session. Got some obviously usual suspects. Some off the weekly have been performing very, very nicely so far in this week's session. Got a couple more days for this week's first week of November. So anyway, let's get into what we were looking at for a session for today and our if this and that scenarios. Let's go.